Owning a pool usually means spending your hot summer mornings pacing back and forth along the edge, manually dragging a heavy net through the water to fish out bugs, leaves, and floating debris before you can actually jump in. The Betta SE solar-powered automatic robotic pool surface skimmer completely eliminates that tedious chore by giving you a fully autonomous, sun-powered deckhand that works around the clock. Wrapped in a sleek, vibrant blue finish, this clever robot wanders your pool surface entirely on its own, ensuring you always pull back the cover to a perfectly crystal-clear swim zone. The biggest headache with early-generation pool robots was their fragile internal hardware. Traditional electric motors would rapidly corrode and fail when exposed to harsh chemicals or modern salt systems. Betta completely overhauls that vulnerability by introducing re-engineered, chip-controlled twin salt chlorine-tolerant (SCT) motors. These specialized underwater thrusters are custom-built to survive the brutal, corrosive environments of both freshwater and high-salinity saltwater pools. They drive the robot forward with impressive efficiency, powering right through floating clusters of heavy leaves, fine pollen, dead bugs, and glowing dust without missing a beat. Energy independence is where this smart skimmer truly shines over standard pool vacuums that tangle you up in heavy extension cords or spike your monthly power bill. The entire top surface of the robot is a highly efficient, marine-grade solar panel designed to charge the onboard lithium-ion battery pack completely on the sun's dime. Thanks to an advanced aqua dynamics hull design that glides across the water with minimal resistance, a single full charge yields an incredible 30+ hours of continuous runtime. This means it charges under direct sunlight in just 5 to 6 hours during the day, and then uses its saved battery power to keep skimming your pool late into the night and straight through the early morning hours. Navigating a shifting backyard environment is handled by built-in ultrasonic radar sensors. The Betta SE doesn't just blindly bash into your pool steps, vinyl liners, or concrete edges. It actively senses obstacles ahead of time and smoothly redirects its path to ensure total, edge-to-edge coverage of your water's surface. It even features adjustable water-depth bumper rods on the chassis, which acts as a safeguard to keep the robot from getting wedged or stranded on shallow steps, baja shelves, or tight corners. When it comes to daily maintenance, clearing out the trapped debris takes less than a minute. Instead of forcing you to lift a soaking wet, heavy machine entirely out of the water, the Betta SE features a massive, top-access fine mesh basket. You simply guide the robot over to the edge using the included wireless remote control, lift the built-in top handle on the basket, slide out the 200-micron filter chamber, and rinse it out with a garden hose. The robot stays floating right in the pool, ready to go right back to work the second you snap the lid shut. If you are ready to permanently fire yourself from manual skimming duty, slash the workload on your primary pool filter, and enjoy a perpetually spotless pool surface powered entirely by the sun, this robotic skimmer is an absolute must-have layout upgrade. Make sure to click the link below for the best price available right now. Thank you so much for watching. Leave a comment letting me know if you are running a chlorine or a saltwater pool, and I will see you in the next video.